It is the 28th of April 2026. The first 4 months of this year have been an absolute blur. There's a million things going on globally that are way above my pay grade. But we do get a lot of questions from clients on our public markets and private markets, and increasingly our corporate clients asking what's going on out there, what's talent doing, what are the demands from their competitors, other clients, new entrants to the market. So here's a quick summary. On the public market side, we're seeing a big increase in demand for investor relations and client director type appointments. These are individuals who will represent private equity and large venture capital firms with their investors, either existing investors or potential investors, raising for new funds, aligning investors with particular deals that might be on the table. This is a very common model in the US, but it's going to gain traction in South Africa. Clients are looking at individuals who come from an investment banking background, a strong technical ability, know how deal transactions work, understand the A to Z process of getting something over the line. But those individuals are very strong at engaging with clients. They're going to be in high demand for probably the next 18 to 24 months, I think. We're also seeing a big growth in ESG recruitment again in the public and private markets, I might add. So ESG is back on the table. It's been AWOL for maybe 5 or 6 years. Again, this is individuals sitting inside investment teams, helping with investing strategies and looking at portfolio companies to improve their ESG strategies, particularly those that have got DFI-aligned investors. And we're also seeing an increase in FP&A analysts on behalf of our private equity clients who want to deploy them into their portfolio businesses. On the public market side, we're seeing a big push in the middle and back office recruitment. So this is where we're seeing mandates for chief technology officers, chief operating officer, quants analysts, data analysts as well. These are individuals who are there to automate, build capability, improve efficiency, improve scalability. Big push from our boutique asset managers saying, here, for example, we had 50 billion. What does a 200 billion version of us look like? What is the infrastructure that we need? So clients are taking that very seriously and building that capability. A lot of price discovery goes in this on the salary side. What do we pay these individuals? What do we pay a CTO? What do we pay a mid-level quants analyst? This is going to yo-yo for a while until we find kind of what's market-related salary and how do we reward these individuals with bonuses. What we're also seeing for the first time in over 8 years is a new demand or a revived demand for analysts covering Africa stocks, so Africa ex-SA. These are patient individuals, a small pool of talents in South Africa. I haven't had a phone call for 8 years with any mandates. We're starting to get these mandates, some from South African asset managers, some from our global asset managers who want to increase their coverage of African stocks. It's very exciting. And also the continuing kind of ongoing demand for distribution, both in retail and institutional facing roles. Recruitment processes are taking a little bit too long, some over 6 months. This is very slow. Candidates lose interest, they lose energy in the process, they get multiple offers, they get other things that align better. Companies that are serious about hiring are moving quickly. You need to make proper offers, sometimes kind of 15 to 30% boost on what individuals are already on. Don't go try recruit a purple unicorn on a donkey budget. It's not going to work. We're not going to get Warren Buffett for 400,000 Rand. And remember, top talent always have options. So we're seeing candidates who are coming to us saying, I've got this and I've got this and I'm definitely going to get a counter offer. So the war for talent is 100% real. It's continuing to intensify. I've been talking about this for years actually, and I don't see it dissipating for the foreseeable future. Clients are all asking the same thing. What are we doing with AI? What are you doing with AI? So this is a big talking point. I encourage all our clients to share that information with each other. I think everyone's kind of going to discovery path at the moment. It's a very exciting time. So the first 4 years of 2026 has been fantastic. Our business is just turned 10 years old. We're very excited about that. We've got a couple of parties coming up in Cape Town, Johannesburg, and we're very excited about the rest of the year. And I look forward to engaging with our wider network over the coming months.